Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping quickly. Park, set the brake, and turn off all electronics. Put on safety glasses and gloves because acid or sparks can injure you. Open the hood, expose the battery, and identify the positive plus, red, and negative black terminals. Once done, attach the maintainer's red clamp to the plus terminal first. This reduces the chance of shorting. Make sure the clamps are snug and clean. A poor connection prevents charging and triggers error lights on the unit. You now choose the correct charging mode: float for long-term maintenance, trickle for slow charge, or AGM/gel if your battery specifies it. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's mode labels. Using the wrong profile can shorten battery life. If your manual suggests, attach the black clamp to a clean chassis ground instead of the negative post to reduce spark risk. Once clamps are secure, plug the maintainer into a grounded outlet and watch the status lights. They tell you when current is flowing and when it reaches float. To finish, you simply let the maintainer run. It's designed for days or weeks to keep the battery at optimal charge automatically. Make sure to check LEDs once a week. A steady green usually means full and healthy. When removing, always unplug the charger before unclamping. Remove the black clamp first, then red, to avoid sparks. If an error appears, make sure clamps are tight and clean. Verify battery voltage with a meter. And suspect sulfation, or a bad cell, if voltage won't hold despite proper charging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.